What's up, guys? I'm Ghost45 here. I'm playing a game called Goat Z Zombieland, something like that. Well, Halloween, or I decided to play this game. It's not what I usually play with my friends. Right now I'm at home alone, so I decided to play this game. Let's get started. Goat Z in Zombie City. If you guys haven't noticed, this game is almost exactly. Oh, wow. Oh, there's that. This game is almost like Goat Simulator. It says game is going nowhere. Oh, nope, don't touch me, don't touch me. I'm just a goat, yeah, I'm just a goat. Hey, I said, don't touch me. Don't touch me. No. No. Let me get my ass back, I'm gonna die. No. No. One died. Die. Die. Ha. Run. Run, let the goat run. Run. This is not safe for no goat. I look like a human. Hey, you, can you help me? Hey. Hey. The fuck you doing? He dancing or something. Left, right. So what happens if you get near one of these zombies? They eat them or something? You gonna do that the whole game now? What you gonna do? Okay. I'm gonna follow this guy. He's like the only guy alive right now. I'm gonna hit him. Let's go this man. Hit that guy. Die. Damn it. There you go. How dirt taste, huh? Eating that my whole life. Yeah. Some people look at me for a while now. We just this, a little bit of that. Let's just go move his head. Some point. There you go. Take it. And dead. The fuck? The hell growling at me? I've seen a little bit of people. I haven't seen people play this game much. I know now. I know why now. It's getting pretty laggy. You can see how the controls are not moving as well on the left button. Turn, goat. Turn. There you go. Oh look, the amusing part. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna go slide. Let's go slide. Yeah. Zombie apocalypse, best place to go. Oh cool, I broke that pumpkin. It was not that fun, but it's interesting at least. What the hell is that? Alright. The hell? What's this? Oh, it's like a mission. Find the waste box. Alright. Okay. Oh, we got a mission. Let's do. I want to go to the music part. We'll go down the slide. I wanna slide. A big zombie on it. In the middle of it. Look how he's stuck. Hey, you need help? Holy shit. The fuck? You're like a type of boss. Oh. He wants some goat meat. For you. Goat meat for you. No. Goat meat for you. No. No. There you go. Tell you no goat meat. Off limit. Now back to the slide. My God. Slaggy. Probably my screen recorder. I've been tinkering it with a while. That's what some of my videos you've seen that are really slow. I should move the camera and not just turn left or right. What is he doing? He's diving or something. Get back. Get back. Go back. Yeah, go back. Back it up. Back it up. Oh my God. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Get up. Back it up. And go for it. Oh, there's a zombie there. Hey, wanna be careful? You're a werewolf slash mummy. What am I supposed to do? She was like, she got problems. You need to get back. You go back to that slide. She looked like she had problems. She howling at nothing. Okay, let me go back to that slide. Slide. Keep doing. No. Come on, goat. I don't hate doing that for you. I'm not doing it for you, I'm doing it for you guys. Leave comments when we continue making videos like these random games. Or you could just send me a link to a game. You can app stream, I'll play it. And then I'll actually go down every single game I see. Go, goat, go. Okay, I'm getting up. I am not getting up, I'm going through. That is very helpful. Well, apparently you can't go up slides upstairs. You can find more zombies. No, let's take care of that bitch over there. If anybody should take care of that bitch, it should be me. It should be the goat. Come on, goat. Come on. Every time I try to turn to the left, he bob his head like. Wait, for real? Can you bob your head right or something? Get it right? No? Okay. It should be the different. Oh, thank you, girl. No. Okay. It's alright. I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm stuck. You should be. Remember these ads pop a lot. Go home. Back into the game. Hopefully, I don't get stuck or nothing again. Pumpkin is scared of. Aren't you a zombie? Don't y'all crave meat? Oh yeah, that's the best thing to do. Spawn me right in front of a boss. Get your undead money ass back. Oof. I'm guessing the zombie died. Oh, cars here? Oh, car. Oh, hello. Nope, don't touch me. No. Not ready for cooking. Sorry. No, not ready. Hey, you really want some goat meat? You're thirsty, aren't you? Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Good. Ooh. Yeah, I was right. Yeah, slash werewolf slash mummy. Tell me if I can do. Come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. There we go. Damn, that was awfully way too easy. That looks hey man. Are you gonna stand up? Now you know come from him? He must have saw him go here. He was like, nah, I'm good. So I'm good. I like a movie. Let's see what this is. Okay, it says fine train on the beach. I got hit by a car. Really? Hey, no. Oh shoot, I'm timed. I better get my run. Run, goat, run. Run, goat, run. This way. This way. This way. Where's Dark Knight? That's a midnight club. Should be a goat. In Zombie City. What am I looking for? Is this what I'm looking for? Look like it. Hey! Level complete. That was fun. Well guys, I'm ending the video here. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. Hope you enjoy.